Safia, you are the host?
Recording.
Yes.
Safia, put on the recording.
It's already recording, ma'am.
It just started.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so 9 by 12 into 4 by 7. Abdullah Patel, give me the answer. How will you do it? You have understood or not? Can you see something cancelling out? Can you see over here? See on the slide.
Yes, ma'am. 12 and 4.
Which
Yes.
question we have to do
4
now?
ones are 4, 4 threes are 12.
4 threes.
Now anything can cancel. Can you see top and bottom?
3 ones are 3.
Yes, 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Now what is left in the question? 3 into 1 upon 1 into 7. So answer is,
upon 7.
upon 7.
yes, answer is 3 upon 7. Okay. So question number 4 also done. Question number 3 we did.
Ma'am, can you explain the second question again?
Question number 2, this one.
No.
The fourth question is 36. Question number 4, she says.
Question number 4.
Yeah,
Question
36
number 4 where we have done. Okay, let me erase it first. Question number 4 is 9 by 12. Those
No,
who
not
already
that.
know,
Ma'am,
please
below that 5.
45, this one.
36 into 3,
Okay.
1 upon 4.
36 into 3.
36 into 3. Tell me, Safia, 3 1 by 4 is how much? Mixed fraction, multiply 4 into 3 and add 1. What is it?
13.
So 13 by 4. Okay. Now I told you you can cancel top and bottom in case of multiplication. So 4 ki table mein 36 comes. So I will directly cancel it. 4 ones are 4 and 4 nines are 36. In the numerator, you have 13 into 9 and in the denominator, you have 1, which we don't write. So 13 nines are, answer is 117. Upon 1, we don't write. Okay, Muhammadi, is it clear how do we multiply?
Question number 4.
Question number
Ma'am, my answer is 117.
Okay. Question number 4 also I did just now. See, when I'm doing, just pay attention. Those who have not understood, pay attention. See, what will I do? 9 and 12, I can cancel it by 3. 3 threes are 9.
Today is 21st, na?
3 fours are 12. Yes. 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. So in the end, you are left with 3 by 7. So this is your which question? Fourth question. Okay. Those who have completed, start with division 1. Now I'll explain how to do division question.
1 second.
We explained it last class only.
But some of you were not there in the last class, so I'm explaining once again. Okay, and those who already know, please continue doing the division 1. You have to do the reciprocal of the divisor. That you have to remember.
Ma'am,
Okay?
which question should I start with?
7th. Division, 7th question.
Ma'am, which question should I start with?
Ma'am, we can divide 9 and 12, right?
Yeah, just a moment.
We
Let
can
me
cut
write.
9 and 12, right?
Which question I'm telling you to do? 2 divided by, this is 1 by 3. 7th question, okay? This is question number 7. Now, what is this? What is the first step that we do, Ahmad? In fraction division, what do we do? What will I do? 2, then?
Times.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
we can,
Yes,
in
ma'am?
question number 4, we can divide 9 and 12, right?
Ma'am, the answer is 6.
Let Ahmad answer. Yes, 2, and then what will I do?
2 times.
Yes. What is the answer? 2 times reciprocal of 1 by 3 is
3 upon 1.
So answer will be 6. Okay, once again, let me explain.
Ma'am, in 9 upon 12 into 4 upon 7, we can divide, na?
No, you have to multiply.
9 and 12 we can divide.
See, when multiplication, okay, let me explain this on whiteboard once again. Those who are facing problem. In multiplication, what do we do? Suppose I have 14 upon 3 into 2 upon 7. So what do we do? And suppose 1 by 4 is there. 3 multiplication you have to do. What do we do? We'll just find out any cancellation.
Ma'am, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14.
4 upon
Ma'am, 14.
2 sevens are 14 and 7 ones are 7 and 7 ones are 7. So your answer is 1 by 3. Do remember that always you have to cancel one top and bottom in case of multiplication. When I write 2 plus 4 upon 2 plus 5, can you cancel 2 and 2?
No.
You cannot cancel, okay, because this will be wrong. So you have to write it as 6 upon 7. This you cannot cancel, okay? This is wrong. Whenever multiplication sign is there, 2 into 4 upon 2 into 5, then you can cancel it.
Okay.
Okay?
So we can cancel 9 and 12, right?
Yes, you can cancel when there is a multiplication sign. When there is an addition or subtraction sign, you cannot cancel. Okay? So this thing you should not cancel. Now when division, when we are doing division, 14 by 5 divided by 7 by 15. Okay. Now when this is the question, those who were absent in the last class, just pay attention. What we do, this is actually, instead of division, I'll put up multiplication sign and I will do the reciprocal of this divisor. So reciprocal means ulta, numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator, and now you know how to multiply. Okay.
When 9 upon 12 into 4 upon 7, the answer is 3 upon 7, right?
So what will be the answer? See, I'm doing this question, Safia. So let me explain this
Ma'am,
question.
answer is 6.
Answer is 6. So is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, answer is 6 upon 21, na?
No,
Ma'am,
6 upon 1.
last 2 questions.
Okay, let us do the questions now from the slide. Okay,
Ma'am,
I gave
the
you
fourth answer is 3 upon 7, right?
fourth
Ma'am,
answer.
we
Yes,
have to do 3 divided by 2 upon 5, no?
yeah. So this one you have to do 3 divided by 2 by 5.
3 into 5 will become.
No, 3
15.
into 5 by, you have to do the reciprocal. Multiplication karna hoga. So question
3 into
3
5
divided
upon 2.
by,
And which question we have?
we are doing 8th one.
3 into 5 upon 2. 15 upon 2.
Correct. 3 into 5 upon 2. No cancel.
7.5. 7.5.
Decimal mein nahi zarurat hai. Just write down in fraction only. 15 by 2.
15 by 2, ma'am.
Now what is 9th one? 1 divided by, do it fast and give me the answers quickly. Ninth to simplest hai. You will guess just a
5 upon 3 only, ma'am.
Yes, 5 upon 3.
5 upon 3.
10th one. You have to do faster than me, okay? Divided by 1. You have to tell me the answer first before I do it here.
Ma'am, 4
upon 3.
Yes. 4 upon
4 upon 3.
Yes. 11th one.
Ma'am, it is -5.
So you will get a minus answer. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So you'll get a minus answer.
1 into 5.
Always remember division sign replaced by multiplication and then you will reciprocal it. Okay? Nobody got the answer? I got
Minus 40 upon minus 24.
Yes,
Ma'am.
8 cancel.
Minus 40 upon minus 30.
Minus 10 upon 3.
Minus 5 by 3 is the answer. Now this question, okay, sorry. It is 3
4.
by 4.
The
Now,
answer is minus 10 upon 3, not 5.
yeah, I have taken it wrong. Question is 4, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it was my mistake. So this is 4 and it comes out to be 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So minus 5 upon 6 is the answer. Check whether I have done it correctly or not.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
nobody was getting this answer. All of you were getting 10, 30, 45.
Ma'am, because you.
I mistakenly did 8 ones and 8 to the 4.
Mama, I didn't understand the 11th one.
Anas, why were you late in the class? Huh? See, minus, 1 is minus, so minus divided by a plus is minus. So answer is this. Rest everything is same. Okay. See, if you're late in the class, how many times I'll explain? I already explained it twice. Now I am erasing it. Do the next question. Now, Anas, pay attention how I am doing the next question. Okay. 12th question.
Ma'am, in the 12th one, we will first convert it into improper
Yes.
fraction.
Convert it into improper fraction and then solve it. What is 7 3s? Tell me.
24 upon 7 divided by 15 upon 14.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Divided
15 or
by
5?
15 upon 14. Okay, I've written the question correct. Huh? Now what will I do? 24 upon 7. Put the multiplication sign. Do the reciprocal. Okay.
7 and 14 cut.
7 and 14 will be cut. 7 2s are 14 and 3 and 24 now. 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. So the answer is 8 2s are 16 upon 5. So the answer is 16 upon 5. Okay. Do the next question. I'll just come in 2 minutes. Huh? I'll just come in a minute.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Okay. So did question number 13?
Ma'am, 1
Question
second.
number 12 I didn't understand. So we did the reciprocal and then we did
Question number
7.
12 is
The 7.
Wait.
The 7 we made 1 and the 14
Just
we made.
one person, Munib. Let him speak first. Yes, Abdullah. What did you not understand? See, I did 24 by 7 and 14 by 15. Till here it is clear. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I did this also. 7 became 1 and 14
Ma'am,
became
30 upon 7 is the answer.
And 15 and 24 I cancelled out. 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are. Okay. Is it clear, Abdullah Patel? And then you multiply. Yes. 13 question. What was the answer? What is the answer? 13 question. 3 by 4. What is it?
I'm 27.
Where
I don't
27 upon 2.
15 upon 4.
27 upon 2.
understand. Ma'am, I don't understand the 13 question.
Okay, I'm doing 13 question. Yeah. Tell me 3 by 4. What is it? 3 by 4?
15. 15 by 4.
By 4 into
15 by 4 into 6 into 6 upon 5 into 20 upon 21.
Abhi lowest form, let us start.
4,
5 ones are
6,
5.
4 and 6.
Let me do first. 5 fours are 20. Okay. Then 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, can you do it again? I cannot listen anything.
okay. I'll have to erase it.
Ma'am, 21 and 15 by 3.
Now just pay attention. I have to do it again and again. It's wastage of time. Just pay attention when I'm doing it. Rubbing and doing again. What was it? 15 by 4, 6 by 5.
5, 20 upon 21.
Okay, yeah. Am I audible? Yeah. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. Then 4 ones are 4. Upar and niche you can cancel. Okay? 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Now 21 and 15 or 6.
3 second.
So 3 sevens are 21 and 3 twos are 6 here. Okay? Abhi nothing can be cut, right? Abhi niche 7 hai. So you have in the numerator 15 into 2 and in the denominator only 7. So answer is 15 twos are 30 upon 7. So those who are getting this answer, it is wrong. Answer is 15 twos are 30 upon 7.
I also got 30 upon 7.
Can we not do 4 and 6 like 2 twos and 2 threes?
Anyway, you can do Munib. Answer
Anyway, you can cut.
Ma'am, but I got 10 upon 7.
10 upon 7. Okay.
Ma'am, I got 30 upon 7.
Okay, let me check how you did. Let me see your mistake then. Tell me how you have done, Munib. Tell me. Tell me your steps. 15 by 4 into, this is correct, 6 by 5 into 20 by 21. What did you cancel out? Tell me. You are mute, Munib. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I did first 5 ones and 5 fours.
Where is 5 ones are? Acha, this
5
ones
ones
are and 5 fours.
20.
Okay, then.
And then, ma'am, I divided by, I did 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6.
Okay. 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. Then?
And ma'am, then I went to next step. 15 upon 2, 3 upon 1 and 4 upon 2.
But still you have left, na? You are left with cancellation. Again you have to cancel. 2 ones are 2.
And we can cancel 3 and 21 by.
Yes,
Ma'am,
2 ones are 2.
We can cancel 2 and 4, ma'am.
Yes. Diagonally you can cancel out. Multiplication
No,
is
ma'am.
fine there.
Ma'am, I thought it is one multiplication after, so I thought.
No. You can, 3-4 multiplication is also there. You can cancel yahan se yahan also. Okay? Diagonally you can cancel out. Here it is 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So same answer you are getting, 30 upon 7. Any process you follow, you will get the same answer. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear, multiplication?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who is this? Tell me your name. Yes, Amina.
Ma'am, it is compulsory to do the cancellation method to find an answer during multiplication.
Yes, cancellation is important. Otherwise, you will get 4, 5 digit ka answer. And your answer key will have a smaller answer. Your teacher will cross it out. Okay. So cancellation initially only you do. That is why you have learned lowest form. Okay. So lowest form is very important. Cancel out, lowest form mein karo, and then you multiply in the end. Is it clear, Amina?
Yes, ma'am, I got 30 upon 7.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Safia.
after this step, there is confusion.
Can you give me more like this multiplication?
Yes,
Ma'am, me also.
Yes. Next slide, we have some more questions. So these are just to make it.
And now how should I cancel? I cancel 15, 5 3 are 15 and 5 1 are 5.
You can write
Then-
the answer in the mixed fraction. Subtraction I'm not giving because you know to find LCM and do it. So I'm not giving you subtraction questions. Okay. Okay, now see here, simplify and reduce. So this is a similar type of question. How will I do this question? See, many times you get this type of question, 3 by this thing. So anyone can tell me from Mandela also, you can tell. How can you do this question? Just raise
3
your
by
hand.
15.
Tell me, 3 by? Anyone from
To convert the mixed fraction into
15.
improper fraction.
right? I'm not asking. Mandela, I'm asking.
Ma'am, first
Mosam, Mutabir, Sakleen.
ma'am, first
And
you will
two
convert.
Ma'am, this is division.
Question number 1. Yeah.
So, ma'am, it will be 3 multiplied by 50. 3 multiplied by
15.
Now we have to first convert the mixed fraction to improper
4 upon
fraction. We have
15.
to multiply.
Ma'am, it will be 3
Multiplied
multiplied
by
by
4
4
upon 15. Okay. So before this, what we have to do, this is actually your question 3 by 3 by 4. Okay. So I'll write it down first, 3 divided by 15 by 4. Okay. So this is what? This is division sign. Okay. So that is, you can write it down as 3 divided by 15 by 4. Or you can write 3 into 4 by 15. So basically this you have to do 3 into 4 by 15.
Ma'am, then we can convert it in decimals also, na ma'am?
But when the question is in fraction, you have to find it in fraction. Okay. When specially it is mentioned that write the answer in decimal, then you will write it in decimal. Okay. So here you don't require, here we are doing only fraction, because you should know the decimal calculation, you should know the fraction calculation also. Okay, it is not that you know decimal, so we'll convert every fraction into decimal and we'll solve it. Okay, why we are learning? So that if fraction calculation is there, you should know how to do it. And if decimal calculation is there, you should know how to do it. Is it clear, Abdullah Patel? Clear, Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is this question clear how we'll do? This is what 3
It is
by
4 by 5 now.
what,
Yeah.
what are you asking?
The first one.
The first one I did, it is 3 by 4. Okay, so 3 by 4 means 3 is divided by 3 by 4, which is,
And the final answer is 4 by 5 now.
yes, final answer is 4 by 5. Okay, now do the next question, find out the next answer. 3 by 5 by 7. Just a moment. Question is 3 by 5. That is, if you write.
Ma'am, it is also equal to 3 divided by 5 by 7. Right?
No, it is different. It is actually 3 by 5 divided by, it is, because see, by sign is here. So it is 3. My pen is not right. Wait.
Ma'am, so it's like this. 3.
Just a moment. Write down the question. I'll do it again. Question was 3 by 5.
Ma'am, can you write a question here?
I'm writing the question. Question is written like this.
3 by 5 by 7.
Okay. So this is actually 3
by
by
5
divided by 7. Now you can do this. 3 by 5 into 1 by 7. 7 means 7 by 1. It is understood. So your answer is 3 by 35.
Ma'am, I also got the same answer.
Yeah. Okay. So this was your answer. Okay, next question. Coming to the next.
Ma'am, I didn't understand that 35 is the answer.
3 by 35 is the answer. You have not understood.
Yeah, ma'am. I got it.
See, when you do the question, see, by sign is here. That means your numerator in this question is, 3 by 5. Okay. By sign is here. Here is your by sign. Okay. So this is understood.
Ma'am, how to understand that which will be the fraction, which
yeah, which one is the numerator, that you have to understand. Here it is clear, this is numerator and this is denominator. And you know that numerator by denominator means numerator is divided by denominator, right? This you can write like this. In fraction can be converted like this.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
when I write like this, 3 by 5. 7 when you write, it is understood that it is 7 by 1. So when I do the reciprocal, I will do it 1 by 7. No lowest form is there. So it means this itself is in lowest form. 3 into 1 and 7 into 5 is 35. Abdullah, is it clear? Abdullah Patel, is it clear?
Yes.
Now do the third part. Now third question.
Numerator, if there means like this question, so numerator will always be the fraction and denominator will only be the
If
number.
this is there, see, if this is a bigger line, this is the fraction. Here, what is the numerator? Tell me. Here, what is the numerator?
3.
Yes. So do it.
3 and the denominator is 5 by 7.
Correct. So this will be 3 divided by 5 by 7. Now, how will you do it?
3 divided by 3 multiplied by 7.
Correct. See, so answer will be no lowest form, na? 21 by 5. Fourth question. What is the numerator and what is the
And
denominator?
21 by 5.
Yes. Fourth
This
question.
one is 4. 2 whole 1 upon 5.
And we have to convert it into improper
Yes.
fraction.
Yes. Convert it into improper and tell me what is a numerator, improper fraction? Or tell me if I am correct.
Ma'am, 11 upon 5 by 11 upon 10. Improper fraction.
11.5 divided by
So
11.
both of them are in the fraction. I have done it here. See, if you have not understood anything, just check it from the slide
It's
here.
22 upon 11, no?
Lowest form
it's
for Muni,
Answer is 2.
22.
Answer is 2.
Yes, answer is 2. Correct, yeah. Okay, do the now coming to fifth question. Let me explain the fifth question now. In fifth question, what you have to do, I am erasing it, the board question. Please don't make me do it again. So please note down the question till 4. Fifth question may you have to follow BODMAS rule. BODMAS because of is there and multiplication is there. So what will we solve first? Tell me, Abdullah Sahib. What will we solve first? 2 by 5 of 6 by 11 into 1 by 4. So we'll solve off or we'll solve multiplication? Tell me.
Can I say?
Ma'am, I think we'll solve off first.
We'll solve all off first.
Yes.
Okay? So off is what? 2 by 5.
Ma'am, 2 upon 3 is the answer, no, ma'am. 2 upon 3 is the answer.
Which question you are telling?
Ma'am, 11 upon 15 it is or 5, ma'am? It is 5, na?
Which one? Which question you are talking about, Abdullah?
4th,
Patel?
ma'am. 4th.
Fourth one. Answer was 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
11 upon 5 and 10 upon 11, right?
11 upon 10.
Yes, ma'am, but after reciprocal, it would
After
be 10 upon
reciprocal, you have to multiply. Put a multiplication sign. Okay.
I did it, ma'am.
Then you get 2. Yes.
Ma'am, this answer will be 3 upon 11.
What is the answer for question 5? Tell me.
3 upon 11.
3 upon 11. 5. Okay. 5 cancel out. 5 cancel out. 1, 1. 2 cancel over here. 2 cancel. 2 ones are 2 and
2 to the 4.
2 twos are 4. Then 2 ones are 2 again. 2 threes are 6. How much you are getting, Abdullah?
3 upon 11, ma'am.
Yes, 3 upon 11 is the correct answer.
Then we also.
3 upon 11.
Yes, now coming to question number 6. Write down question number 6.
And which one it is that 2 whole 1 upon 4 divided
1 by 4, yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
What is the answer?
21 upon 4.
Okay. 21 by 4. Abdullah Saqib has got the answer. Rest of you find out.
Because it will be 9 upon 4 multiplied by 7 upon 1 into 1 upon 3.
Wait.
Ma'am, which question?
9, it will be 9 by 4 divided by 1 by 7.
So ma'am, it will become into
Multiplied
1
by 7 upon 1.
into 7 upon 1, na, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, and which question?
Yeah.
Sixth question we are doing.
5, 6. Ma'am, where is it?
This one is 6th. No?
B1.
21 upon 4.
This one is 6th question.
Acha. Right.
Okay. So answer is 21 upon 4. Check this answer over here. Those who have done, please continue with question number 7. This one is question 7. Question 6 is here and question 7 is next. So here also you have division. So division may, first you have to solve division. So do the reciprocal. Muhammadi, is it clear to you how we are doing multiplication, division of fractions?
Sixth one answer is 21 upon 4, no?
Sixth answer is
21 upon 4.
yes, 21 upon 4.
Ma'am, is it divide or plus?
It is divide, huh? No plus is there. Only division
Ma'am,
is
can you show the 13 question again?
13. Where is 13?
Not 13. I mean 6.
Sixth question. Okay. It is, what is it? 9 by 4 divided by 1 by 7 into 1.
So then we will do first divide, no?
Which question you are asking, Anas?
Sixth one.
Sixth
Ma'am, 2
one.
upon 9, ma'am, is the
Okay.
answer.
2 twos are
Ma'am, 2 upon 9 is the answer, ma'am.
2 upon 9. Okay, seventh one anyone has got? 2 by 9 is Abdullah Saqib's answer.
And please don't do it on the screen.
I'm not doing, I'm doing sixth question. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So your answer is 7 threes are 21 upon 4.
Ma'am, sixth answer is 3 by 28.
No, sixth answer I have done it over here.
7 upon 1.
Ma'am, what to do a fourth?
This one.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yeah, tell me. Yes, yeah. What are you asking?
Ma'am, share screen.
I cut 9 by
2
3.
by 9, ma'am. I didn't. Ma'am, share screen.
Ma'am, 2 by 9 is the answer, ma'am.
Didn't get, ma'am.
I cut 9 by 3.
Let me do it over here. Let me do it. Yeah. Wait.
Ma'am, the 6th one is 21 upon 4, right?
Yes, 21 upon 4. I just showed you now, Safia. Just now I showed you.
Yeah.
Okay, see, question number 7 I'm doing over here now. 1 by 3 into 4 threes are 12, 13, 14. 14 by 3 divide. First you write down like this
2
one.
upon 7.
7 by 2. No, it is division sign, Amina. When I do a multiplication, then I'll reciprocal it. So into 14 by 3 into 2 by 7 and into 1 by 2. Now cancel out 2 से 2 cancel हुआ 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Answer is 2 by 9. Okay? Answer for question 7 is 2 by 9.
Ma'am, can you wait for next question? I am doing the
Yeah, do the next question. This is question number 7. I have done it over here. Question number 8, anyone has completed? Here you will have to do off first. Huh? First solve off. Don't divide first. Don't do the reciprocal first. Huh? First you have to solve this part.
Ma'am, is it 2 by 9?
It is
71.
20 by 27. See, yeah, you have to solve 3 by 7 of this thing first. Let me
No,
check
ma'am,
it.
I am doing the seventh one answer.
Seventh one is 2 by 9.
Ma'am, 20 by 27.
Yes. Even I got 20 by 27. Rest everyone, please check my answer also, because I am also doing it over here. I can also make mistake. So all of you solve it in your notebook and see if you're getting the same answer or not. Last answer is clear. 0 divided by 8 by 11. What will be the answer? No need to do anything.
0, ma'am.
Yeah, 0. Rest everyone has completed till 8. Complete the questions till 8th question.
Ma'am, wait. Okay. 2.7.
In this question, you have to remember that we have to solve off first, off. Because BODMAS may before division is off, okay? So before doing the reciprocal, you have to first do the off part and then do the reciprocal.
What is the meaning of off?
Off means multiplication only. Off remove karke put a multiplication sign.
Ma'am, I got answer 20 upon 27.
Yes, so 20 by 27 even I have got. So that means that is the correct answer. Amina, you have to solve 3 by 7 into 15 by, no, sorry, 21 by 8. Huh? So 3 by 7 into 21 by 8 solve karo, and then you do the reciprocal of 9 by 8.
Ma'am, 20 upon 27, ma'am.
Yes, 20 by 27. Correct answer. Okay.
Ma'am, last one will be 0 only, no?
Yes, last answer is 0 because 0 divided by 8 by 11, or you can do 0 into 11 by 8. So anything multiplied by 0 is a 0. So answer is 0. Ninth question, answer is 0. So can we move to the next now?
Wait, ma'am.
Ma'am, but it is 0 plus, no?
Divided, it is divided. We are not doing addition and subtraction, we are doing division only. Which question all of you are doing? Should I give you?
Ma'am, done already, sir.
How many of you have not completed yet?
Me.
Okay. Note down the question, you can complete later also.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
There are only 4 minutes here.
So just I want you to do one more question so that.
Right.
Okay, some more
Ma'am,
questions.
you can tell us the question, no?
Okay.
It is there, see. 10th.
Which one?
All are division, this one.
Ma'am, done.
4 by 5 divided by 7 by 15 of 8 by 9. So again, you have to do off first. Off means multiplication. Put a multiplication, solve it, and then, okay, I'll also do over here. 10 question. All of you can see the 10th question. No lowest form, so I'll have to do the multiplication. Multiply it. So it is 15 into 9.
Ma'am, we can get 5 and 15.
No, not now. Abhi you can cut. After doing the reciprocal. After doing the reciprocal, you can cut. 5 ones are.
8 upon 9 will also reciprocal.
Because this whole is divided, right? You have to multiply first. So I can't do 7 into 8. I just do it. I just put it here only. Okay, 7 into 8. You will.
Ma'am, I want to ask you something, but we should do the reciprocal
reciprocal of the 7 upon 15. Now why did we do of 8
because here it is off. Off means I need to solve this first. Off का मतलब है I need to solve before division. I have to solve it. Okay. So यहाँ पे either you can do, this is a shortcut method to save.
we can simplify
Ma'am, I got the answer,
7
ma'am.
upon 14.
You can
27 upon 14, ma'am.
wait, 56 upon, you can write like this also, Abdullah Patel.
Ma'am, answer is 3 upon 2.
You can do like this also and then multiply, or you can do like this also. 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. What else is there? Answer is
3 upon 2, ma'am. If you simplify 27 upon 14.
why? 27 upon 14, how will you simplify?
Acha, ma'am, sorry, yes.
You will not be able to simplify. Answer is 27 upon 14. Okay. And Abdullah Patel, see, if you are doing like this, कि multiply, तो multiplication के बाद ऐसे लिखा, then you write 4 by 5, you will get the same answer. You can check it. 135 upon 56. Okay. 5 से divide करो. 5 ones are 5, 5 six are 10, and 5 sevens are. Okay. And 4 से divide करो. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. See, you are getting the same answer, Abdullah. 27 upon 14. Okay. I didn't want to multiply here, so I just did the reciprocal of the whole equation. So I can do like this also to save time.
Understood? Time is over, ma'am.
Ma'am, answer is 27 by 14.
Yes, answer is 27 upon 14.
Ma'am, the question after it is the 12 by 35.
Okay, write down the question. You can take a screenshot and you can do it at home also. Okay. For your practice, you can,
questions?
all these questions 11, 12, 13. You take a screenshot and do it at home. Okay.
Ma'am, we cannot take, ma'am. You have disabled the annotation.
Screenshot you cannot take.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can take screenshot. We cannot draw.
It is on. Now try to take. Okay, all of you can leave. Those who are taking
Yes, 11, 12 and 13 only, no?
Yeah. Should I stop sharing now?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye, see you.
Bye. Okay, you can leave the class. I am just closing it. Okay, bye everyone.